Welcome back. We're still in the city of Toronto. Today it's not as nice, but honestly, we're having a blast with the boys. Um, Last night we went out for a bit, and it was a good time, really good time. We had definitely had some experiences and memories for sure. We we went to a new place. It was really popping off. And I'm going to try to correlate some events from last night to business and mindset. So, for an example, when you're in business, you always have to take the risk. It's risk always. Everything you do is a risk. Even in life, it's a risk. So, when you're too scared to take the risk, I think that's not more of if you're prepared for it. It's more of the mindset that you need in order to take the risk. Because if you adopt a mentality of taking risks, I think you'll exponentially grow compared to everyone else. So for an example, yesterday, you want to go talk to a girl and you don't take the risk. And now you're left to go home at night and wonder what would have happened if I would have talked to her? What would have happened if I just went and took the leap of faith, I guess you could say. But now you would never know, type thing. And same thing for business. You don't want to take the risk for business. You don't want to invest in that. You don't want to pay the money for ads or whatever. Now you'll never know. You'll never know. So it's really important to start taking risks. Also that you have a group of men around you to push you to take those risks, to develop and become better. As an example, my cameraman right now, it's a different style of video, but I'm enjoying it. But at the end of the day, honestly, I truly believe that people need to take more risks. They need to take the leap of faith, because that's where the growth and development happens. Stepping out of your comfort zone, that's only in that zone you will start to see growth. But yet again, it takes time. I know some people, they feel a bit lost at times, and again, it's strictly just in the mind. It's all, I keep pushing that, but it is so true. And once you figure it out, I truly believe that you're gonna not look at business like, okay, I'm gonna work on my business from 1 to 4 p.m. It's more of a lifestyle. You just do it, right? Like my YouTube, my e-commerce store, I just do it whenever I could, as much as I could. And I'm so grateful for my YouTube. Lately, I've been meeting some nice people that watch my videos, and we've been talking on Instagram. We're gonna be booking some calls and having some conversations. It's amazing, just because I just do everything. I just do it and do it, take the risk. Also, I know I'm going off for a little bit of rant, but when it's incorporated as a lifestyle, you make sure to get stuff done. For an example, we went out yesterday, had a few drinks, came out very late, and I don't think when you have the lifestyle, it doesn't affect the day after. So for me, for an example, I woke up, I know usually I wake up earlier, but around 8 a.m. and back to it. Last night was last night, it doesn't affect me. I'm back, tomorrow's another day, and get back to it. Back to my regular lifestyle of working on the computer and getting used to traveling. So today there was a bunch of gold nuggets, but honestly, enjoy the little view we have. And again, take the risks, keep working hard, and I'll see you at the top.